I'm an American from the US, and I've been in Mexico now for the better part of a year. And in that time, I have had quite the dental experience. You see, when I first got to Mexico, I knew I wanted to get some dental work done, but I had no idea I would be getting all of this done. And what I mean is that I had a couple of broken teeth that needed to be fixed right away, and my wife found a dentist with some great recommendations online, so we decided to give it a try. And I am very happy with the work that is done. I had several broken teeth fixed, and a root canal that was done through a crown, which I think is impressive. And everything was perfect, except I still wasn't completely thrilled with my smile. I had an old filling in one of my front teeth, and because of that, I wouldn't ever be able to really whiten my teeth because it would just make the color of my teeth mismatch even more. And I wanted to do something to change that. So my dentist told me about a procedure called composite reconstruction, and this is a procedure that would completely transform my smile. Essentially what the dentist would do is use a material to cover all of my front 6 teeth. Kind of like how you would fill a cavity, but just on the outside, which would make my teeth a little bit bigger and a little bit brighter. It's actually kind of like a budget way of doing veneers. And for the record, I am fully satisfied still with the work that was done. I think the dentist I saw is a very talented dentist. However, that dentist was in Monterrey, and now I'm in San Miguel de Allende, which is about a 9-hour drive. And without any warning, while I was eating corn chips one night, it happened. And it was almost a worst case scenario. One of my front teeth broke. Well, really, it was just a small chip missing, but still, it was one of my front teeth. And since we were so far away from my other dentist, my wife and I decided we would find a new dentist for the time being and try to save ourselves a 9-ish hour drive back to Monterrey. So we searched the internet and read some reviews and found a dentist we thought would be affordable, so we made an appointment. Well, my wife made the appointment. That's kind of her department. When I showed up to the appointment, Google tried telling me to park behind the building, which has happened to me more than once since I've been in Mexico. I don't think Google has completely figured out the roads in Mexico just yet, but I was really trying to show up on time, so I found some street parking and tried my best to find the right door. The facility was pretty big and looked up to date. My dentist was very nice and able to fix the issue no problem, but she did say that she didn't think that I was a great candidate for this kind of procedure in the first place. I guess it's because of how I bite or something, and she recommended that I would eventually get veneers or crowns, which I probably will, but I would like to at least be able to rock these for a couple more years. I mean, hopefully they can last for that long. I was told that they would last 7, so we'll see. Now let's talk prices. This repair only cost about 2,000 pesos or about $120 USD. But just for context, the entire procedure was only about 750 USD. And even though these prices are a fraction of what you might see at a dentist in the US, I'm still hoping that I don't need any more dental work for a very long time. And because of the way I grind my teeth, unfortunately, that means I probably will have to sleep with a mouth guard. Not the ideal scenario, but it'll be okay. But if I do have to have any other major procedures in Mexico, you can bet that I'll be updating you guys here, so please subscribe and like the video. Also, if you're planning on getting any work done in Mexico, let me hear your story in the comments. I'd love to know if you have or are thinking about getting any dental work done in Mexico. Alright, till next time.